see that in the cities, like, he's looking for food. You can't eat dead leaves. Well, don't eat that cigarette. That's disgusting.
He's hungry.
Police aren't coming.
He doesn't like it.
Fucking police department out here would care more about animals. If you got into that school over there, you disrupt the classes.
Trying to signal that stupid sheriff until they ignore me.
If you shot a gun into the air, they'd hear you.
Man, I think he's moving faster than we are. Trying to run away from us. He's moving pretty quickly, little thing. I like his head.
Oh, here comes a bunch of fire trucks.
Okay. We gotta go. There's cars behind us and stuff.
No car.
There's one just went around us.